Samsung brought a lot of improvements to last year's Galaxy Z Fold 3. Water resistance, and S Pen compatibility to name a few. Samsung marketed the Z Fold 3 as a true successor to the Galaxy Note lineup. However, the phone was missing one key element of the Note despite offering S Pen functionality, and that is a dedicated slot in the handset to store the S Pen. Samsung, however, to make the Note fans happy, brought back the Galaxy Note lineup disguised as the S22 Ultra. And the response so far in terms of sales is way more than what Samsung bargained for. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is selling way better than any other recent Samsung flagships. Then we got a report from a reputed South Korean publication that looking at the success of the S22 Ultra, Samsung has also decided to bring this key element of the Note to their foldable lineup. And that's a dedicated S Pen slot on the Z Fold 4. But it looks like we may have to wait a little longer to see a built-in S Pen on a foldable smartphone. Ice Universe mentions on Twitter that the Z Fold 4 will not have a built-in S Pen stylus. Instead, it will be offered separately just like the Z Fold 3. He also claimed that the device will be thinner and more compact compared to the Z Fold 3, which is in line with what we've heard from the past reports. Basically, it has to do with Samsung using a single stronger hinge mechanism than using two hinges on the Z Fold 3. Now, since the Z Fold 4 is going to be more compact, this would also mean the cover display is going to be a little wider as well. I'm sure it's not going to be as wide as Oppo's Find N, but hopefully it's wide enough that typing on the outer display isn't a pain in the butt. Other information we already have about the Z Fold 4 includes a flagship-worthy camera system, basically taken straight from the S22 Ultra except for the periscope zoom camera, which means the main camera will be 108MP with 3x optical zoom and 30x space zoom feature. The cover display will again feature a punch-hole camera just like its predecessor, however the sensor has been upgraded. It will feature the same 10MP camera found on the S22 and S22 Plus. For all the latest updates on the Z Fold 4, be sure to subscribe, and as always I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.